Oh, I gotta get this off screen. Hold on, what's it actually recording on this? It's my face there. Okay, so boxes. Why am I wearing headphones? I don't need headphones. Um, um, so these are my mom's Doctor Who alarm clock here. Got some plastic. It's feels very expensive. It must be Contour or something. But let's actually get right into the item itself. So it looks like it has a digital display there, like for time, and yeah, it's a TARDIS. Batteries go in the bottom. I'm guessing that I have no clue what this does, but let's get on to the other thing. Let's have tape. Nope, I don't need my knife then. I need my special knife. Okay, not today. Okay, so we got some foam, styrofoam in this one. So yeah, put you there. Okay, yeah, I may have screwed it up like a lot, but yeah, we can do this. We can do this. Knife here. This will help. This will hopefully help a lot. If I open up this side here. So piece number 1 has been taken out. Now it's time to grab piece number 2. And it's a mug. It's a mug. Now, hold on, I actually have to do something really quick. And we're back to the mug here. Basically, hold on, let me put the mouse right there. So hold on, what's hold on. There's a little this is the outside of the mug. It's Doctor Who themed, obviously. And it's got what looks to be a little TARDIS on the inside. I mean, you know, less space, but you know, space. It's a mug. It's copyright 2012. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoy. It's the Unbox God, and that is it.